A decentralized AI cloud gaming protocol. Well, today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called DeepLink. But before we do that, make sure you're doing research, figure out this project is for you. So you guys know I'm a huge gamer. I love talking about games and gaming projects. And you guys know that I've been learning as much as I can about AI because AI is the future, and every single project out there and company has seeing how AI could be a part of what they're doing. And that is why I got attracted to this project, because not only are they doing gaming, not only are they doing AI, but they're also doing DeepIn and literally all the things that are important for projects to be really successful in the future, all combined into one. So that's why when I heard about this, I definitely had to bring it to you guys so you guys can learn about it as well. And I'm going to talk about all the different things that they've accomplished in a short amount of time. And then I'll talk about how you guys can be involved, and I'll talk about their public sale. So definitely stay tuned to the end of the video where I'll talk about that and how you guys can kind of participate in that as well, obviously after doing your research. But let's figure out what DeepLink is all about. If you guys want to learn more about this project, you can actually Google DeepLink Protocol to learn more about it. Here we're on the website at deeplink.cloud. I'll put the link to to check this out for yourself. It's going to be impossible to talk about all the exciting things happening with this project, but here's some highlights. So they raised $9 million in early investments, which is crazy. That's a ridiculous amount of money. That's really awesome. They joined the NVIDIA Inception program, which is really cool. They posted this on their Twitter X account. They said, DeepLink and NVIDIA Inception program, they're able to announce this new partnership. For DeepLink joining NVIDIA, obviously you guys have heard about NVIDIA, but they've been doing crazy. Collaborating, we're unlocking limitless possibilities, and you could see all about that partnership. But obviously NVIDIA is a great company to be working with and get that recognition. It really validates all the exciting things that they're doing, so that's awesome. They have over 550,000 users, and there's over 100,000 DLC holders worldwide, so there's a bunch of people holding the token. They're coming to a lot of tier 1 CEXs this year, well-known VC investments. Their team has a lot of experience in NVIDIA, Huawei, Intel, Cisco. That's 10 years of a core tech experience, and they worked in real life application. They're doing a ton of marketing, and they're doing a lot of stuff to get the word out there. So like some global roadshows, etc. So I think that's really cool. Really awesome. They have a great product, which I'm going to talk about today. They also have some great videos which kind of like showcase it, which I think is really awesome to do. I'm not going to play all of this stuff, but definitely see for yourself what makes this project unique. But essentially they have a software. It says a game remote control software and cloud gaming platform developed on DeepLink Protocol. You can download the software for free on their website, which is really cool. So they show some comparisons with others out there. Cloud gaming is obviously huge. There's a lot of different companies doing that, obviously NVIDIA as well. But what they're doing is that they are obviously taking, with it being on the blockchain and having a crypto token kind of powering it, and that's really where they really stand out from the rest. But they're really making some really awesome things. What I think is really cool about cloud computing and cloud gaming is you don't really need a crazy computer to do it. Literally, if you have an old computer, anyone can kind of be involved, and I think that's really cool. It's really based off of like I said, not off your hardware, but off the software that you have, and they've done an awesome job with that. So users can play video games with DeepLink, or they could rent out their GPUs. So that's really cool. There's we talked about projects before about like different ways to mine from your things, but having to rent your personal GPU is kind of crazy. So users can play games with DeepLink or rent out their GPUs. You could share your personal computer, contributing to a network of gaming dedicated traffic nodes, or partnering as an internet cafe to rent out idle computers via the DeepLink's network. So that's really cool. You can share GPU power through the blockchain technology. Like I said, that's where they really have an advantage over some other projects. These games can run on the GPU, computing power provided by miners, and you get rewarded if you're a provider with some DLC tokens, which is awesome. So for players who do not have high-end gaming computers, this is a way for for them to kind of get access to the games that they want to play. So really awesome. We'll obviously talk a little bit more about the token in a second. They talk about some of the different features of this: high resolution, ultra low latency, which is obviously really cool, especially if you're playing like really competitive games. You really are able to really take advantage of it. So here are the products currently being developed. So they have remote control, cloud gaming, and then their gaming platform, cloud internet cafe, and then cloud XR. This is some like examples of what it uses. So protocol uses remote control tools as traffic entrance. So kind of see how that works out. 100 number of countries where servers are provided, daily active, 100,000 daily active users, and 500,000 total users. You get so this is kind of like how it works. Protocol will charge a 10% commission for each cloud game transaction. The commission will be settled in DLC, and 40% of DLC will be destroyed in real time. There's also a license mode if you guys want to check that out. And then like I mentioned, through blockchain technology, this is the market competitiveness of DeepLink. So pledge digital currency through smart contracts to ensure the GPU providers provide stable services, zero cost, no border, everyone involved, reduce payback time, users get bonuses. And then if you guys want to kind of see how this all works, they have some great information on this, how their software is utilized, and kind of like the rewards that you can get. And then they have a bunch of stuff on the roadmap. They've been working on this since 2020. Some of the exciting stuff that I think that they have coming up, obviously increasing the downloads is important, but supporting iOS, Mac, Vision Pro, AR versions of this. 2025 support multiple brands for these devices, and then 2026 is 15 million downloads, 50,000 shared computers, and then definitely a ton of different partnerships. Here's the team. You could check them out. They're transparent on who they are and their experience. I think that's awesome. But what I really wanted to talk about today was their public sale. Countdown to the end of public sale phase 2 in 2 days, 6 hours, 16 minutes. So if you guys are interested, you could purchase after KYC to ensure your eligibility of this. Again, we talked about some of the great use cases for this. Rent a GPU, buy gaming time. Again, if you want to learn more about what we talked about, the DeepLink software, the cloud internet cafe, and cloud esports, definitely an interesting take on it. If you guys want to kind of learn where they are, the distribution, that's there as well. The TGE is scheduled for Q3 of this year, 2024. They had a successful first phase already, so that's awesome, great to hear. They hit their goal of $1 million USDT in just 48 hours, so definitely a lot of people were hyped about that. And then obviously this phase 2 is something that's been going on, but again, it's gonna end relatively soon, the 29th. Remember, you get 15% DLC extra bonus for being a part of it. So that's obviously something you definitely want to take advantage of. If you want to learn more about that, you guys can. Up here, they kind of talk about the bonus, the 15% DLC. The next phase, they're actually lowering that to 10% DLC. So again, just something to keep in mind. If you want to take a deep dive into the DeepLink software, you guys can. You could download it now. You could learn more about how this all functions and some of the solutions that it has. They have some great footage to kind of like show you guys how that all works. They have some exciting things. They have some new features like being able to purchase software to use the NFT license, NFT support. They support GameFi, game display, remote gaming, remote tools. And then of course the DLC token. There's referral bonus, login bonuses as well. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. Like I said, you guys have some time to do to look into this, but again, remember phase 2 is ending pretty quickly now. So definitely check this out. They have some great articles kind of talking about the potential of this project. Definitely follow them on Twitter and X to kind of learn more about the project, kind of opportunity. Obviously, there's been a lot of great things that they've done. A lot of people have been highlighting that. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys can. They're always announcing some of their partnerships and things like that. So again, really awesome project. Definitely one that I'm interested in. Definitely one that I'm going to be watching throughout this year and the years to come. So yeah, definitely check it out. That's DeepLink. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. This project also has a weekly prize pool of $10,000. So join the community, whether it be the Telegram, the Discord, follow them on Twitter, X, or checking out their videos on YouTube.